Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll explain the source and approve emergency equipment rentals workflow in n8n. This workflow receives an emergency breakdown request from Telegram, normalizes the intake data, contacts rental vendors by Gmail, collects vendor quotes, uses Azure OpenAI to compare the options, sends the comparison to the project manager for approval, and then confirms or rejects the booking automatically. Step 1. Telegram Breakdown Report. The workflow starts with a Telegram message from the field team or foreman. This message contains the emergency equipment requirement like the broken machine, site details, urgency, rental duration, and contact information. Step 2. Normalize intake data. This code node cleans and structures the Telegram message. It converts the raw breakdown report into usable fields like breakdown ID, machine type, site name, duration, urgency, foreman name, and chat ID. Step 3. Split into vendor items. This code node splits the request into individual vendor items. Each vendor becomes a separate item so the workflow can contact multiple rental suppliers in parallel. Step 4. Send vendor emails. This Gmail node sends the rental request to vendors. It includes the equipment requirement, urgency, site details, duration, and reference ID, then waits for vendor responses. Step 5. Wait. This wait node pauses the workflow after the vendor emails are sent. It gives vendors time to respond with availability, pricing, rental terms, and delivery details. Step 6. If node checks whether a vendor response has been received or approved for processing. If a valid response is available, the workflow continues to quote aggregation. Step 7. Aggregate vendor quotes. This code node collects all vendor responses into one structured list. It prepares quote details like vendor name, availability, daily rate, delivery fees, included operator, fuel terms, and total estimated cost. Step 8. ChatGPT/Azure OpenAI. This AI node reviews the collected vendor quotes. It compares pricing, availability, delivery timing, operator support, fuel terms, and risk factors to recommend the best rental option. Step 9. Parse AI analysis. This code node parses the AI output into a cleaner structure. It extracts the recommended vendor, reasoning, risk notes, comparison summary, and approval-ready details. Step 10. Email PM, comparison plus approval. This Gmail node sends the vendor comparison to the project manager. The email includes the AI recommendation and gives the PM an approval option before the booking is finalized. Step 11. Wait 1. This wait node pauses the workflow while waiting for the project manager's approval response. The workflow does not confirm the rental until the approval decision is received. Step 12. Approved. This if node checks the project manager's decision. If the rental is approved, the workflow moves to confirmation. If it is rejected, the workflow sends a rejection notice. Step 13. Email rejection notice. If the project manager does not approve the rental, this Gmail node sends a rejection notice. It informs the relevant team or vendor that the equipment rental request was not approved. Step 14. Confirm booking with vendor. This Gmail node sends the booking confirmation to the selected vendor. It confirms the rental details, site requirement, and approval so the vendor can proceed. Step 15. Notify foreman. Confirmed. When the rental is approved, this Telegram node notifies the foreman that the equipment booking has been confirmed. It gives the field team quick confirmation directly in Telegram. That's the complete source and approve emergency equipment rentals workflow. It receives a breakdown report through Telegram, contacts rental vendors by Gmail, collects quotes, uses Azure OpenAI to recommend the best option, sends the comparison for PM approval, and then automatically confirms or rejects the rental. I'm Rahul Joshi. If this was useful, I drop one free workflow like this every week inside my school community, JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description. Come join us. See you in the next one.